what
Can
happened?
I name it something else?
Yeah, sure. You can name it whatever you want to
Thank
name
you.
it. Okay, so what happened? What's gonna
What does
happen?
it do?
Yes, what's gonna happen is the animal is gonna go to some random positions. Okay, it's gonna be like some positions, and every single time I try to click it, my score will increase. Okay, it's like a game. My score is gonna increase every single time I click on my cat. Okay, so yeah,
Uh,
so if it has
you have
reached
reached level
2,
2?
because I
Wow. How
yeah
do you make that come?
yeah, I'll teach you today. So it's gonna be two
Oh my
animals
god.
now. Okay, so when you click on this red one, it's gonna increase by 5. The points gonna increase by 5. Ouch, but it's very
Because
hard.
it's more tricky,
Yes,
that's
it's
why.
more tricky and it's more faster than the cat. When you click the cat, it's just 1 point. When you click the this animal, it's gonna be more than 1 point. I think 5 points. Okay, so after this, we can make like level 3 thing. Okay, and at
Can
the
we
game.
just end it after level 3 because I don't like like level 4.
Okay, we can end it after level
Like level
3.
4 is always like very hard.
Yes, it's
But
very
level
hard.
3 won't be that hard, I
Mm-hmm.
guess. So,
Yes, we can end it with level 3. Okay, so can we start doing this?
yeah. Down the speed of the red one a little bit because
Sure,
I
sure,
don't
sure.
click that fast.
Sure, Simrit, we
Oh,
can
I
do
have
that.
a wish. I have a wish. Excuse me, I have a wish.
It giving you what? So we saw the demo project. So how to make an animal clicker. So let's start to create how to do the animal clicker project. Okay. So the first step is we need animals. So I'm just gonna go with the normal cat, or you can just take another animal of your choice. Okay. And then I need to bring a backdrop. So I'll go and take a backdrop. I'll choose a blue sky, very casual and normal. Okay. So after this, what did we see? The cat was going to random positions. So I need to make sure my cat is going to random positions every single second. So I'll say go to random position, and I need to make sure that it's doing this like forever. I want it to go to random position forever, and then go to events and pull out the when flag clicked. So now it goes to random position, but I want to make sure that it's going slow. I don't want to do this fast. So 1 second, probably 1 second is good. Yes, there we go. Okay. Okay. I think we are done with the score. Okay, so now we need to create a score. I'll go to my variables, and then let's create a variable.
Done.
Yeah, give me a minute. Score. Now can you see, set my variable to 0 on the score, on the variables part, drag and drop it above the forever. Set my variable to 0, drag and drop and put it above the this thing, above,
Whatever.
yeah, above the
Whatever.
forever.
Whatever.
Yeah, perfect. Now
Do I
change.
have to do the same with Taylor?
Mm-hmm. Yes, for all the
Same
stuffs,
with
do the same thing
everyone?
for all the characters of yours. Change my variable into score.
Doesn't happen.
Yes, Simrit, we have one more step. Okay, the last step is whenever you click on the object, whenever you click on the sprite, the score should increase, right? So go to events. Okay, go to events. Over there we have the third block called when the sprite clicked block. Drag and drop it. Cool. When you're done dragging, drop it. So now go to variables and drag change my variable by 1. Instead of my variable, let's make it score. Okay, I like this shark actually.
Even I like it. Tell which score does your thing go?
What is it?
Tell which number does your score go to?
It goes till forever. I have,
Oh, that's why we have to put forever.
yes, look at my code. Can you see? I've put set block. score. I'm done with it.